So I'm going to create a standard membership site today. Your basic run-of-the-mill membership site where you're on a single installation. You want to protect some of the content on this site and allow allow visitors who are not paying for content to also roam around your site. But definitely there's a piece of your site or multiple pieces that you want to protect for paying members. So that's what I'm going to use. How many levels do we want? I am actually going to do, for these purposes, I'm going to do 3 just because it coincides with something else I'm working on. So I'm going to do an individual, business, and something called special. Okay? And do I also want to create a level of control what non-members can see? Yes, I do, and they keep this check default. So basically that will become your guest level membership, your free level, whatever it is that you need to manipulate so that people can see content but don't have to pay for it. Now later we'll look at a setting which for strangers, total strangers, meaning those that don't even have this guest membership, the type of content they can see. But let's go ahead and create one of these because I've found it useful to actually use the guest level to access all of the free content. It makes for fewer errors, I've found. And then for the gateway to receive payments, I'm going to choose PayPal Express, and then we finish. Okay, it says we set up the options, and then we can choose to close this wizard. Yes, we'll do that. Now you can reopen the wizard if you need to. Now the membership tutorial is 34 steps. I'm not going to go through this tutorial because I sort of have my own way of doing it. Okay. So now we can see in our membership dashboard that we have 4 levels created, right? The 3 that we chose and then the default visitors level. Subscriptions, there are 3. A subscription is not created for the visitors because there's no payment being made. I think that's sort of logic behind it. But actually, I've and many others run into problems by not creating a subscription level for free. So for myself, I'm going to go ahead, and that's the first thing I'm going to do. Add new. I'm going to name it visitors as well. I like to match the name of my subscriptions with my access levels. It makes things much more sensible. Here you could put a written description. I'm not going to bother with that, but I will put free here for the subscription text. And then membership levels, you need to drop something in here from one of these. So this is what we're making it for, so this is what we'll drop. And as soon as we do that, we are instructed to choose the mode it is. And in this case, because I'm making it free, the mode is, the frequency, the period is less important because they're not going to be charged anything. But because all the other ones I'm going to make are also monthly memberships, I'm just going to make this one that too, just for uniformity's sake. I'm not going to talk about subscription pings here. Honestly, I don't know how to use them, so Let's go ahead and add that. It says it's inactive, so we're going to activate that and make it public. Great.